Hi there, students. Dumbledore. A Dumbledore. Yes, believe it or not, this is a real word before J.K. Rowling used it for somebody else's name. A Dumbledore is either a bumblebee or a cockchafer beetle. Let's see, a bumblebee, this is one of these great big bees that go around, these things that look like it's amazing they can fly, and they don't sting. So a Dumbledore is a bumblebee, bombus. It's this large bee, normally with black and orange and maybe white on its tail. And that is a Dumbledore, a bumblebee. One of the bee families. And a Dumbledore can also be a cockchafer. A cockchafer is a type of beetle. I think the cockchafer beetle, it's a big clumsy beetle. I think it was even referred to by Thomas Hardy in a poem, An August Midnight. A Longlegs, a moth, and a Dumbledore. A Longlegs is like a big flying insect. A moth flies at night, and a Dumbledore, a cockchafer beetle. But more commonly, a Dumbledore, a bumblebee. Now, apparently, J.K. Rowling said that she used the name Dumbledore because she always imagined her character of Albus Dumbledore being fond of music and always humming to himself. And the bumblebee, you can hear a bumblebee buzzing from quite a way off. It's got quite a strong hum. Yeah, it's one of these big bees. It's not one of these little ones that make honey and can sting you. It's a big one. So a Dumbledore, or Dumbledore the magician. Let's see. This is an unusual word. This is old-fashioned, and I would call it a bumblebee. I think formality, I'm going to give it 8.5 in formality. It's very old-fashioned. And then as to origin, Dumble is the same as bumble, to walk about clumsily, banging into things, knocking into things. Yeah, you dumble into things, you bumble about. I bumbled about, knocking over chairs and books and things like that. And door, a buzzing flying insect, an insect that buzzes and flies. So yeah, a clumsy buzzing flying insect, a Dumbledore. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Dumbledore.